Jake MacDonald, Chapter 13, Segment 3, Outline. Emotional processing may differ in two hemispheres of the brain. Damage to the right hemisphere of the brain may increase a person's cheerfulness, while damage to the left hemisphere may lead to depression. Stress is the events and stimuli that threaten us, how we assess them, and our physiological reaction. Stressors are the events and stimuli that threaten us. Stress evaluation is the cognitive system that assesses events that threaten us, and stress response is the physiological response of the body to the assessment of threat. A polygraph is also called a lie detector. However, it does not measure lies. It just measures signs of stress. It is a device that monitors several physiological measures such as respiration, heart rate, blood pressure, and electrical conductance of the skin. The physiology of the stress response is similar across all mammals. The general adaptation syndrome is the system connecting stress and disease through a series of stages. An alarm reaction is the activation of a sympathetic nervous system, including the release of hormones as the initial response to stress. The adaptation stage is the return to normal following an alarm reaction, and the exhaustion stage is the increased susceptibility to disease and possible death that follows prolonged or frequently repeated stress. Cortisol is a hormone from the adrenal gland atop the kidney which releases hormones in response to stress. The adrenal gland is an endocrine gland atop the kidney which releases hormones in response to stress. Stress immunization refers to the concept that mild stress early in life makes an individual better able to handle stress later in life. However, research indicates early stress is only beneficial if the individual is comforted afterward. Lack of control and unpredictability make unfamiliar events more stressful. Consequently, having control over stressors and being able to predict the arrival of stressors results in a less severe stress response. Health psychology is the study of psychological, behavioral, and biological factors that influence physical and mental health. Psychoneuroimmunology is the study of psychological and neural influences on the immune system and its influences on behavior.